What's going on, guys? This is going to be the POV video of my 2004 BMW M3. I've had this car for about 6 years now. It's the SMG 6-speed. I know the SMGs have like horror stories, but I haven't really had that many problems with it at all. About 10,000 miles ago, I replaced the SMG pump, and that's really all the issues I had with it at all. So with this car, I've done open headers. It's got a Super Sprint exhaust on it, which you guys will hear. It's got the AC Schnitzer wheels, which these are like the rarest BMW wheels you can get. So I'm like quite proud of these. I didn't have time to wash it for the video, so don't give me shit about that. I have a carbon fiber hood and CSL trunk. As you saw, I got the roof wrap black and the carbon fiber mirror caps. I just want to link everything together. This bumper is trashed. It got hit by a giant bunny. I don't want to talk about that. And someone backed into me a couple months ago into that corner. So I'm putting a CSL bumper with the carbon fiber accents on it here soon. But yeah, this car has been very good to me. I blew up the first engine. I threw a rod bearing, put a new engine in it. The engine has 60,000 miles on it. The car has 153. I've always just tried to keep it nice. It's kind of been my pride and joy since I got it. But yeah, let's get right to it. The POV video of the 2004 E46 M3. Like I said, the car's been very good to me. Now that I've had the SMG transmission, I kind of wish I had the 6-speed, but that's just because I'm used to the SMG and it's kind of wore off. But it is fun because you get things like launch control. When you turn off the traction control, you can see right there, you get an extra gear. And it is fun because when you're doing like straight line pulls against people, you'll win some races just because this thing shifts faster than most people could. Need to put washer fluid in it. That's out because I have an ABS sensor, or a wheel speed sensor that I believe is bad. If you know anything about BMWs, that's just the kind of thing that happens. The check engine light, you know, as also a BMW owner, you know that the car kind of comes with that by default. So let's get to it here. Like I said, I have open catless headers and a Super Sprint exhaust with a Rogue status muffler. This is my favorite muffler I've had on this car. I've had a couple different ones. This is my favorite one by far. It's got kind of a deeper tone and no drone, and slightly deletes the rasp just a tad. But I'll shut up and you can listen to the car. that is the POV video of my 2004 E46 M3. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment if there's any modifications you think I should do. And thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.